This is the Portronics TriFusion. It's a Bluetooth speaker that is trending right now. Coming to the unboxing, the box mentions it's 16 watts of speaker output and 15 watts of wireless charging output, which is very uncommon in this price range. It also advertises white noise, which I will talk about later on. The box itself comes with a user manual, a USB A to C cable, the product itself, and a warranty card. The box also has a foam pad in it which keeps everything in place. So they have given some thought into the packaging, which I appreciate a lot. My initial observations are that the cloth mesh covering the speaker unit looks classy and is also good to the touch. It has a variety of ports and inputs like a USB-A, microSD card, and 3.5mm jack. When you power it on, you hear a more toned down voices for all the operations. It's better than the shouty tones of some previous speakers. Basically, it means that you won't wake up the entire neighborhood if you choose to turn it on at night. Coming to the basic functionality of this product, most of the buttons are combo buttons. You have a button that cycles you through the FM mode, white noise, and Bluetooth modes. The next and previous song button also doubles up as volume control. The display shows the level of volume which I did not expect. Coming to the basic functionality of this product, the first thing that is immediately apparent after turning it on is the dot matrix display which displays the time. You also have an alarm function. The wireless charger also activates automatically on plugging in the charger, no manual operation needed. Talking about the sound quality, it is rated for 16 watts of output, which is more than enough to fill a small or a medium sized room even. I do not have a lot of experience using Bluetooth speakers, but I have compared the sound to a previous Portronics product, which is the sound drum. The sound drum I did not feel very good because it was all bass and very less of everything else. But this one is more clear with tighter bass and balanced highs. The mids are not the best, but definitely good for the price. The thing I most appreciate about this is that the bass is not overpowering everything else. It's not to say that bass doesn't exist, it does have a decent amount of punch, but it's not overpowering everything else. Coming to the things that I like about this product, the feature set tops it all. It's a multifunctional product, so it can be your bedside clock with an alarm, has white noise for relaxation, comes with wireless charging for phones, and the classy look to back it up. The dot matrix screen, apart from showing you the time, also displays modes, displays the volume level also. The light bar is also aesthetically done and it gives out a good vibe and it's not overdone. Can also be turned off if it's not your thing. Moving to the things that I'm okay with, I'm not particularly impressed with. First thing is that operation voices are there. It uses human voices. It is calmer. It's a calmer version and it's fine. But I personally prefer soft sounds rather than human voices. Sometimes it makes a long sentence, like
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Your device is ready to pair. You are now connected.
it kind of messes up the upmarket feel of this product. Second thing is the presence of wireless charger. The of a wireless charger itself is very appreciated. It works very well. It's not expected from something of this price range. But as expected in this price range, it does not have any cooling system for the wireless charger. So if you are already in a warm environment, your phone might get hot. And yes, most of the cheaper wireless chargers do not have active cooling. The third thing that I'm not particularly impressed with is the white noise feature. Even though technically it has it, most of the presets are extremely short loops and the repetitions are quite noticeable. Not all of them, but most are. So it's not entirely high quality, but the presence of the feature itself is a bonus at this price range. Coming to the things that I dislike about this product, only one thing I have to say is that the alarm tone and the white noise uses the same set of sounds. So there is one useful alarm tone that is buried inside the white noise, which is the classic beeping sound. All other tones are white noise, which are soothing and useful to fall asleep, but as alarm tones to wake up, not so much. Summing up the product, it is top-notch value for money and it has actual performance to back it up. Everything works well as of now. I am yet to test the battery life and the FM operation. I will update the same things in the description as I get to use the product more. Overall, I feel that it's a very well-balanced product which has its feature set as the highlight, but without missing out on all the essentials, which is a good sound quality. So that has been it from my side and see you guys in the next one.